The USS Gerald R returns to sea trials after 15 months of repairs. The USS Gerald R is the lead ship of a class of United States Navy aircraft carriers and can carry more than 60 aircraft, including the new Joint Strike Fighter Carrier variant aircraft, the F-35C. It is the future aircraft carrier replacement class for the Enterprise and Nimitz-class aircraft carriers and was commissioned in 2017. As you can see in this video released by the US Navy, the 4th sea trials included a round of impressive high-speed turns.